This has been a great year for XRP. That is something I don't think anyone would fight with. Looking at this picture from September all the way back to now, it's clear that XRP has had a great and very successful year. Now, the most important thing is to look at how this picture is set up as a whole. Once more, we have that long period of stability after the big push into January of this year. We got stronger all the way through July. As of now, we are once again consolidating after breaking out in August. The mood around XRP is very strong at the moment. Okay, let's think about this for a moment before we look at the map. The list is here then. Just taking a look at XRP right now, things are very strong. On the daily view, we now have a higher low, which means that we are testing the trend line again after breaking it recently. We're still just below the first important level we need to break, which is $3.13. If we can get this over with on a daily basis, we will start making our way to the highs from August and then July. Taking a quick look at this chart shows that we are laying out a path to the highs around $365 and the highs back here. And I do believe that the current situation is exactly what we need to break through those levels and aim for $4 or more for XRP. That's just for this cycle's short term. Still, I believe that XRP can surprise a lot of people by going through double digits or $10 to $20. Another thing is that a lot of people think there's no way, but I want to talk about a lot of things going on in the space that back XRP's next big move in this video. Before we start, I just want to quickly let you know that the best time to use crypto to save for retirement is right now. I know that many of you are young, a lot of you are a little older. It doesn't matter. It's best to lock in a crypto IRA account right now. We know crypto is the way of the future. We know that more and more people are using crypto. All the problems that used to stand in the way of crypto are starting to fall apart. This will become widely used in the next few years. There will be trillions moving on the chain. Every big bank will start to offer services based on cryptocurrency. Crypto will be around for a long time, and this just proves it. This is why opening an I Trust Capital IRA account today is likely going to be one of the best things you do today. Plus, you can buy and sell crypto 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, along with gold and silver. They have the best prices around. No fee every month. You can use my link in the description or the comments below to sign up if you want to learn more about this and start investing in crypto for the long term with tax benefits. You get a free $100 deposit bonus when you use my link to sign up. If you put $1,000 or more, which, let's be honest, if you're maxing out your IRA, it will be $1,000 or more anyway. If you guys still want to do that, you can do it in the comments or the text below. Right now, let's talk about ETFs, since that's what everyone has been talking about this year and really for the last 2 years. Since 2023, when people first started talking about Bitcoin ETFs in a big way, ETFs have been the biggest thing. Then we got the go-ahead in January, and it was all about Ethereum after that. In the end, Ethereum was accepted. We first saw Ethereum trade, but now it's all about old coins, like XRP Rex shares, which we heard about yesterday and will start trading tomorrow. The XRP ETF Rex Osprey XRP and a Rex Osprey Doge ETF as well. Tomorrow, the first US listed ETFs that offer spot exposure to XRP and Doge go live. This did go live today. How did it go? Let's go to Eric Bakuna's Semihawk. Rex XRP ETF now. It's already worth $24 million in XRPR. That's a lot more than I thought. It's 5 times what any of the XRP futures ETFs did on the first day, and it's only been 90 minutes. I want to make this point clear. It's something I don't think many people know, but the spot-based XRP ETF is where most XRP buyers will start when they want to buy an XRP ETF. They don't care about the ones that will come after. That's why I said the spot is so much more important than the ETFs for the future. As you can see, we did 5 times as much business as any futures ETF in just 90 minutes. This shows how popular XRP ETFs are. The big news is that the last XRP sold for $37.7 million on day 1. This may not seem like much, but this is just the first day, and going over some things. This has more natural dollar volume on day 1 than any other 2025 start, except for IVES. With 17 million, the DOJ isn't bad. It's in the top 5 of the year's 710 starts. It's a good sign that 33 Act ETFs are on the way. Guys, XRP just had the most natural dollar volume on its first day of trading of any 2025 start. Why is this important? All of the big issuers just saw this happen, and they can't wait for their ETFs to go live around XRP. All right, this is serious, says any big player, cough BlackRock, who hasn't yet filed for an XRP ETF. Perhaps we should get on board.